All right. Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and today we're on the Island Princess, and we're going to explore the upper decks. So I'm on deck 14, Lido deck 14, outside the buffet. I just climbed all the way up, so I'm out of breath. Anyway, let's check it out. Gotta wear masks. Horizon Court. Howdy. And there's this guy who wants me to take silverware and a plate. Hi.
Good morning. Doing a vlog.
Yeah, man.
Good morning.
Port Monkeys. Have a lot of food, a lot of bacon. It's still not, well, this stuff is all serve yourself. That stuff isn't. And this is a big buffet, but in about half an hour, around 9 o'clock, it'll be packed. And whoop, some things have been under maintenance the entire cruise, but maybe they need parts, right? And unlike mini buffets, we are at the front of the ship here, and that's Sherwin. Anyway, so there's two sides. They're not always both open, but with this crowd, it's going to be both open today. We're somewhere south of the coast of England. Hi.
Morning. Morning, princess.
She is very helpful. She shows me where the sink is every morning. And that's a great thing. Some people don't wash their hands, if you can believe that. So there's more seating out here. This is the first day it's been warm enough to be out here. And he's still cold, right? That's England and Ireland. So this is the Lido pool, I think they call it. Lido bar. That's the pizza. And I don't think anyone's been in the pools. They're working on them. Well, it's been very cold and rainy. We went to Iceland and Greenland, so, and it was cold and rainy. Anyway, this is where they do movies under the stars. And then we get back in here, and they have another pool. But those doors don't work, and the ones on the other side don't work. I just think they have them locked. It's not that they don't work, it's that they don't want to use them. So you come in here. Hi, Daniel Ka. And here's the doors. And this is the covered pool. And somebody asked me recently, did they ever uncover the pool? And the answer is, I don't think so. Ice cream, but it's not self-serve, but it is free. Swirls. So, people have been swimming in here. I hope they don't go in there right now. And they have a couple of these spas. Daniel Ka is the illusionist, the magician, and he's done a couple shows. And normally this would be full of water, right? 1.8 feet. Anyway, and the Lido bar, I think. And that brings us to an automatic door that brings us to the spa, but we're like at the back entrance to the spa. You would normally want to go up the aft elevators, the rear elevators, and that would bring you to right here, there. Right here, see? The Lotus Spa. It's 360, so you're in it no matter what. Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Now, you notice the stairs don't go up. You maybe can't tell, but the elevators don't go up. We're on 14. So to get up, we have to go outside. And watch your step. Caution strong wind. It's not windy at all today. So here's a promenade on deck 14. That's somebody's cabin. And down below. We're going to go up. And I think now Sanctuary. Sanctuary, and it's $20 for a half day out here and $40 for all day. And I don't know that they got any customers any day. Every time I come out here, it's covered completely, and I can just walk in. But this is the rear of the ship, the aft end, right there. And I'm guessing, I don't know, balconies? I think these are the balconies they added, the cabins they added. When they refitted this ship to have more cabins, I think they added like 100 cabins. But the cover charge here, like I said, is $20 for a half a day, $40 for all day. And these rooms are like $200. Anyway, now I'm going to be heading into the sun. So we're on deck 15, private area, and that should be turned around, so I see it when I'm coming, but I guess they're not closing it off. And we're going to go up one more deck, deck 16, because there's really nothing else on this deck. It just goes around the pools. Oh. What are the odds? What are the odds? And you saw how many people were out here today. Of course, it is 9 o'clock. Ooh, it smells like a toilet. And not in a good way. So here we are in the sports court. And it's, what, 5 to 9. And this is the giant chess set. And the back end of the ship and sanctuary. We could go around here, shuffleboard, all the parts. I'm not sure why they set them on that ledge. It seems like they'd go over, land on someone's head. So we can go down there. I'm going to just go down the way I came up. Somebody else is coming. Is he headed this way? Hi. Who is very friendly? Very friendly and very good. Pretty good. Not great. But better than I eat at home. I wasn't disappointed. There's always something to eat. They call it the conservatory on some maps, deck plans. It's actually the upstairs of the inside pool. And there's a ping pong table there. And mirrors. Oh, that's freaky. Look at my hair. Anyway, what's left of it? You probably see the top in this. Anyway, so we can go in. I think this is the midship stair tower and elevators through these doors. But we're going to continue on. And I'm sorry for the wind noise. In the 360, there's just no way to control it. You understand? There's nothing I can put over. There's nothing I can put over the microphone that won't show up in the video, right? I mean, I have an external mic and a little windsock, little fluffy guy, and so that works pretty well. So that's a bar. Remember, there's a bar underneath it too. Pizza was down there on 14. This is the grill. Hamburgers, hot dogs, chicken sandwiches, all included, not the bar. Well, if you buy Princess Plus, the bar is included. I'm not working for Princess. Princess gives me nothing. Port Monkeys are Port Monkeys. We've never gotten any perks because of our YouTube channel, just so you know. But the Princess Plus package is worth its money because $15 is tips, and the Wi-Fi is at least $5. buy 3 drinks a day, it pays for itself. If you buy more, well, then it more than pays for itself. So this is the splash pool. We're almost at the front of the ship. So I'm going to go up one more deck. And the splash pool has not had any water in it the whole cruise. Or should I say it's been covered? Well, that's not even an inch of water. But now we're at the front of the ship. And we can go down there. 2 decks down is the buffet. Let's go through here. I guess what I'm saying is I always get the Princess Plus because it's a bargain. I mean, on Carnival it's like $55 a day for drinks. On Princess, that $50 a day includes your tips, you know, for the cruise, and Wi-Fi. So, and then Carnival, on top of that 55, I believe they add 18% for every drink you buy. And when you're in certain ports, they add tax. Anyway, don't get me started. Well, that's it. For the Island Princess, this is Gareth from Port Monkeys. Say, Port Monkeys out. See you in the next port.